Did you know that approximately 1/3 of adults over the age of 60 experience some form of numbness or tingling in their hands or feet? This condition starts out as a minor annoyance. Perhaps you drop the TV remote or feel a strange buzzing sensation at night. What if I told you that this could be a sign of a much bigger problem, a ticking time bomb for your health? In this video, I'll share the 8 miracle fruits I started eating every day that helped me say hello to a healthy life and get rid of the tingling in my hands and weakness in my legs. If you're over 60 and experiencing tingling, numbness, or weakness in your hands, you're not alone. A few months ago, I was in exactly the same situation as you, frustrated, anxious, and tired of dropping everything I touched. Then something incredible happened. I changed what I ate in my hands, nerves, and energy. They changed too. Completely. But first, if you're ready to feel better, remember like this video, subscribe for more health tips designed for seniors, and leave a comment below. Where are you watching from? And have you experienced hand numbness? I love hearing your stories. Now, let's dive into the topic. Let's start with the silent alarm bell in your body. Numbness, you may think it's just a pinched nerve or poor circulation. However, in many older adults, this seemingly innocent symptom is a warning sign of a deeper problem, neurodegeneration, vitamin B12 deficiency, or even early signs of neuropathy. I ignored mine for a long time. The tingling came and went, especially at night or when holding small objects like a pen or keys. At first, I brushed it off, but soon I noticed I couldn't button my shirt or keep a spoon steady while eating. What I didn't know at the time was that my body was starved for nutrients, especially certain vitamins and antioxidants that support the nerves. So, where do most of these nutrients come from? Simple everyday fruits. That's right. You don't need expensive pills or painful treatments to start improving your nerves. All you need to know is which fruits to choose and why they matter. In the coming sections, I'll explain the fruits I eat every day and how they help me naturally manage my health. Let's kick things off with a classic, the humble orange. When we think of oranges, we often think of the common cold or breakfast juice. But did you know that vitamin C is a critical component in repairing damaged nerves? Vitamin C helps build collagen, the protein that surrounds and protects your nerves. As we age, collagen production decreases, leading to weaker joints and damaged nerves. Oranges step in like a natural shield, providing antioxidants that neutralize the harmful free radicals damaging our cells. And guess what? Oranges are also rich in folate and thiamine, which are vital for healthy nerve signaling. But here's the magic. Oranges also contain a powerful plant compound that improves blood circulation, making it easier for oxygen and nutrients to reach your hands and fingers. Start your morning with one fresh orange, or a glass of fresh squeezed juice, not from concentrate, real and raw. Next up, blueberries. My little blue miracle. I call them that because these tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that reduce inflammation, enhance nerve signaling, and protect the brain from aging. In fact, several studies show that eating blueberries daily can help slow cognitive decline and improve nerve coordination. That includes the small, fine motor skills in your hands. After just 2 weeks of eating a cup of blueberries each morning, I noticed I could hold a coffee cup without dropping it. It felt like a fog had lifted. Plus, blueberries improve blood sugar regulation, which is vital if your numbness is linked to diabetes or prediabetes, a common hidden danger in older adults. When we talk about nerve health and muscle function, potassium is a true unsung hero. Bananas are one of the richest natural sources of potassium, and they play a critical role in maintaining healthy nerve signals and muscle contractions. As we age, imbalanced potassium levels can cause symptoms like muscle cramps, weakness, and yes, numbness in the hands and feet. That's why including bananas in your daily diet can act like a natural nerve tonic. But bananas offer more than just potassium. They also contain vitamin B6, which helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals your nerves use to send messages smoothly throughout your body. Here's a little story from my own journey. For years, I struggled with random cramps and that annoying tingling. Adding just one banana a day to my routine reduced those symptoms dramatically, without any expensive supplements or medications. Pair your banana with a handful of nuts or a spoonful of peanut butter for a nerve-nourishing snack that's both delicious and satisfying. Pineapple is more than just a tropical treat. It contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme that has been shown to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Why is this important? Because inflammation is a hidden danger that can silently damage your nerves over time, especially if you suffer from chronic conditions like arthritis or diabetes. Pineapple acts like a natural firefighter inside your body, calming down, swelling, and protecting your delicate nerves. In my own routine, a daily serving of fresh pineapple helped me feel lighter, more energized, and most importantly less bothered by that numb pins and needles sensation in my hands. Add fresh pineapple chunks to your salads or blend them into smoothies for a sweet, anti-inflammatory boost. An apple a day is more than just an old saying, it's a nerve-protective truth. Apples are rich in fiber, which supports gut health, and a healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, including those essential vitamins your nerves need. But the real star here is quercetin, a natural antioxidant found in apple skins. Quercetin fights oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind nerve damage and aging. Eat apples with the skin on to maximize the quercetin intake. In my own story, incorporating apples daily made a noticeable difference in my energy levels and helped reduce the discomfort of numb hands. Now let's continue with a fruit you know well. Grapes may be small, but they contain powerful especially resveratrol, which is known for its role in protecting heart health and nerves from damage. Resveratrol improves blood flow, which means your nerves receive more oxygen and nutrients. This is vital for reducing numbness in your hands and improving sensation. I'm amazed at how grapes have become a daily ritual that supports not only my nerve health, but also my overall vitality. Keep a bowl of fresh grapes within reach and snack on them mindfully throughout the day. Here's a question for you. Which grapes do you prefer to eat? Red or green grapes, or perhaps frozen grapes as a cool snack? Let me know in the comments below. Last but not least, peaches are a delicious, juicy source of vitamin E, another crucial antioxidant for nerve repair and protection. Vitamin E helps reduce inflammation, supports healthy blood vessels, and acts as a shield against oxidative damage, all important for reducing numbness and improving hand function. Including peaches in my diet brought a refreshing sweetness and noticeable improvement in my hand strength and sensitivity. Enjoy fresh peaches as a dessert or add slices to your morning cereal. Friends, I want you to know you have the power to reclaim your health. Those numb, tingling hands don't have to control your life. By choosing to nourish your body daily with these 8 incredible fruits, you're giving your nerves the tools they need to heal and thrive. Remember, this is not a quick fix, but a gentle, loving journey toward better health. Small steps each day add up to big changes over time. If you try these fruits, or if you already enjoy some of them, I want to hear from you. What changes do you notice? What challenges do you face? Please comment below, share this video with friends or family who might benefit, and subscribe for more heartfelt health advice tailored just for you. Together, we can turn the health time bombs into stories of healing and hope. Thank you for spending this time with me. Here's to your health and happiness, one bite at a time.